Welcome to the unboxing of Restylane Kysse with Lidocaine, a premium dermal filler full lip enhancement. Brought to you by Medica Depot. Restylane Kysse is designed to add or restore volume to the lips. It also contains lidocaine to help make the treatment more comfortable. The pack contains one pre-filled syringe with 1 milliliter of gel, two 30G half-inch ultra-thin wall needles, patient record labels, and instructions for use. 1 milliliter of gel contains 20 milligrams of cross-linked hyaluronic acid, 3 milligrams of lidocaine hydrochloride, and a phosphate buffered saline at pH 7. The gel is sterile, transparent, biodegradable, and non-animal in origin. Its smooth consistency and optimal viscosity allow natural-looking volume and definition. So if you're looking to buy a Restylane Kysse with lidocaine for your practice, visit medicadepot.com.